Good afternoon. It's Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025. English warm-ups. I enjoy watching gardening shows on TV. I have a very big garden. I work very hard in my garden. Gregor's wife looks forward to chat shows on television. She likes Austrian TV very much. Susan prefers watching chat shows on German TV. My wife finds cookery shows very interesting. She gets many good ideas from these shows. She cooks something new every week. I enjoy reading good books. History books are my favorite. Gregor's wife enjoys cookery books. Cookery books have very nice pictures. Pictures that make one feel hungry. And that's all for now. Thank you for listening. Please click again next week. I'm Nigel A. James. Goodbye for now.